Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell, this will be a cloth and paper unboxing for June 2023. So I'm excited to show you guys what I got. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So as you may or may not have seen, there has been a catch-all that that cloth and paper, I guess, advertised on their Instagram. You can put paper clips in here, anything you want, jewelry. It's really smooth. It feels like a clay material, but it says resin on the box, if I'm not mistaken. It says resin. So that's cute. Just gonna put it to the side for now. These are the pins. Hoping that I'm in focus. I think I see a highlighter. These are some monthly tabs. It does say set 1 of 2. So this is from January through June. So I'm guessing there's another pack that has July through December in it. By the way, I'm loving this. Isn't this so cute? Okay. This was also what is it called? They showed this like a snippet. This is a notepad. I just really want to make sure I'm in focus for you guys. Okay. Good. That's so pretty, Callie. It's a left bound message pad.
Yours?
Here, of course, is the sheet for the pen test that I will be using later. And I'm sure there's some other stuff behind it. So this is for the pen test. This kind of goes with what we got last month, which was the July one. This is super cute. It's textured. I don't know which way it goes. Oh, gosh. Women who wear black lead colorful lives. And it shows you what's inside. So my favorite part, the pen test. And let's actually see, before we do that, what pens are inside. Okay, so shiny silver in morning. I'm gonna wait to do everything last. I just want to show you first. In morning. Everything is gray in morning, maybe. Ooh, I think I might like this one, you guys. Okay, so yeah, all of them are gray. Looks like it's a theme. We're going to call, well, all of them are in morning, so I'm not sure how to differentiate between them. So I'm gonna say gold because it's the only one that has, I'm gonna say gold tip. Ooh, okay. We are going to call this one white tip. A little bit thinner, even though I think they're both 0.5, but we're gonna call this one gold handle. What did I say? But I like this. We're gonna call this one silver handle.
Do you need some help? to help you. Great. I use this screw. Screw anything. See, I got it screw. I see. I'll fix the problem. Okay. Great, it's all fixed. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chuck. Your thing is broken.
Okay, so I can't lie. All of them wrote very well. These two, I feel, wrote the best. But all of them write so pretty. I can see myself writing with all of them. And of course, I'm still using last month's pens. This one, although it's not as aesthetically pleasing as the rest of them, have been the most dependable. A lot of the pens have been skipping on me. I'm not sure if it's the way that I personally write or if I should be writing, you know, to the side, down like this, or however. But here are some of them that I don't even think I've used this one yet. Here was some from last month. No, this isn't one. I have two more.
You're welcome, ma'am.
This is one. And then my pink one. Where are you? I cannot find her, but she's been skipping out.
I use this to fix things.
So this is the same exact way that July went in the current dated one. The boxes are big. Oh my gosh, the boxes are like back to what they used to be. Oh my gosh, that makes me so happy. I thought I saw somebody mention that when we were when Cloth and Paper like showed a snippet of what was gonna be in the box. Happy about that. 2 note pages. Okay then. And horizontal. Okay, so I can make this work. I'm not a huge fan of using horizontal, but I love that there's all this space right here. Oops. There's all this space here to write a to-do list, some more space over here, and then just some extra space. Not sure what I would use that for, but I kind of like that right now. So this is for next month. So I think I can work with that. I love that there's a cover because right now I just have the weekly dated on the front cover of mine. So I am very pleased with that. I think the highlight of that, in my opinion, is how big the monthly boxes are. I think it's fantastic. I hope they bring that back for next year. So I will pull this back out next month for sure. And then we're gonna go into August. Okay, so we know that's the same. Again, oh, I love these big boxes. The 2 note pages. Hope you guys can see that. This is what I currently have, right? Except I don't have this over here. I just have like a blank area. Let me show you. Found the pen in the planner. It's so pretty. I'm trying to go to a blank weekly for you guys. So you see this is blank, and then you have only 3 priorities. So I like that, of course, it's lined. And then I can write down to-dos because I currently don't have a space to do that. And the undated one. But these are cute. Totally like that as well. I definitely think I'm going to use these. Now it's September's that I'm just like, am I going to use this? Oh, I really do need to use a new insert. My front insert is just like through it. So I really need to switch it out.
Here we go.
So kind of tiny for my large handwriting, of course, we all know that, but I kind of like this. It's like an hourly, and it's literally all day till the end of the day the next morning. So I don't mind using that either, even if I were to use it like for other things. I don't know, a to-do list and then schedule at the bottom.